Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelly, and today we are cleaning as much of the house as I possibly can get done today. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. This is such a fun place and so much support and positivity. I love it so much. So basically, I'm trying to show you all of the crumbs that are on the ground, and you can't really see it, but so bad. Our living room is a disaster, so I will be starting here. Also, if you like cleaning videos, please give this video a like. And I want to show you this disaster over here because I just ordered something to help with this situation, so I'll let you know when I get it. Should be coming on Tuesday. And in the kitchen, for once the high chair is not disgusting. But I've got a lot going on over here. We've got stickers, papers, wipes. I got this cute new 3-tiered stand from Marshall's. It was only $10 and it totally fits my aesthetic in here. And I can just add decorations per the season, so I'm really excited about that. I've been looking for a tiered stand. I have garbage and grossness here. Luckily, my boyfriend was on top of the dishes this weekend, so we don't have too much. But I do need to start the dishwasher, put these away, find a home for insurance information, and I definitely need to vacuum the whole house and mop as much as possible. Kind of get a handle on this room, but this is not top priority. Next, just straightening up my son's room. Not sure how much of this I will show, but I'm all about showing you my real life, and this is real life, people. Okay, oh, I need to do his laundry. This is the laundry situation. And by the way, I got these from Amazon and it came with 6 of them. And I don't remember how much it was, but it was super cheap. I'll try and link them below if I can find them. But I need to do his laundry today. I also need to do my laundry. And I need to wash the bed again. I've never had to wash my bed so much in my life until having a child because everything gets on there. But this morning he took off his diaper and got poop on his hands. Got poop on his hands and got it on the bed. So we'll be making the bed, and I do need to desperately clean my bathroom. It needs a good wipe down, and I want to find a better system for under the sink. Let me show you. So I did get these organizers that I need to utilize. So they were really cheap at Walmart, only 98 cents. So I want to try and make that work in this space and clean it all up and get it organized because it's not functional right now. And it makes me crazy. It gives me hives. So, and I need to clean the toilet, of course, and sweep and mop in here. Don't think I'm gonna do the shower today. I don't really care. And yeah. And then in my office, if I can have time to do my office. So like I said, I'm doing my laundry, so that will disappear. Without further ado, let's get into this madhouse. And this is load of laundry number 1, washing the bed sheets and pillowcases. I'm just using a Tide Pod for this one that I had left over. And then starting that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and continue getting this cleaning going. We have lots of laundry to do in this video, so I hope you need some serious laundry motivation. And I'm gonna go ahead and put away all of my son's toys that are scattered throughout the home. Then I will fold the towels and all of that are on the couch, and then stay tuned as well, because I will show you how I organize them for the linen closet, which I did make a video of me organizing the linen closet, which has really worked well for us. I really love it. It's probably my favorite project that I've done so far. So go ahead and check that out. It's great motivation, and it was really affordable. Now that I am done sweeping up all of the crumbs in the living room, I'm going to go ahead and take the Clorox, I guess it's like a wet pad. It's not really by Swiffer, but it's the Clorox Scentiva and the coconut scent, and I just put it on the bottom of the Swiffer, and it does wonders. It is a tiny bit small, kind of like an awkward shape. It definitely isn't made specifically for the Swiffer, but it definitely does the job, and it makes my house smell like a tropical vacation. So that is a win for me. And I'm just gonna get the living room cleaned up. I typically like to take my steam mop in this area, but it did just need like a good clean. And to be honest, I just wanted to smell the coconut scent. And I am recently super specific on how I roll up the towels. We used to fold them, and yes, I'm dancing like a weirdo. I was jamming out while cleaning. But anyways, I fold them like hot dog style, if you will, flip it over, and then take the open ends and roll them in. That way you never have like uneven rolled situation. Every time I would try it and do it that way, I would fold it from the fold down to the open part, and it just was always all over the place, never looked good. And I finally figured it out. So if anyone else has the same problem that I had, you are welcome. I have fixed your problem, I hope. But I'm just going to continue folding all the rags and towels, put those away, and then we will head into the kitchen. And it is now time to switch the laundry. I'm just going to go ahead and put my bedding into the dryer. I also wanted to pop on here and mention too, to stay tuned to the end. I do have an exciting announcement for my channel that you're not going to want to miss. So please stay to the end. You don't want to miss it. I am so excited. I'm just so grateful for this YouTube community. It really has been like the best thing that I've ever done. So thank you all for being here so much. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe. I would love to have you join my tribe. But anyway, I was trying to get out a really tough stain on my son's pajamas. I he just gets food everywhere. But I use the Draft, it's just like a spot spray. I got it in like a sample bag for motherhood maternity when I was pregnant, and I'm still using it. I don't have to use it that often, but that stuff really does work. I know Draft is kind of controversial right now, but I only use it for the spots, and then I use that stuff right there, the EOS, and that stuff is amazing. It gets out so much, and it has no scent whatsoever. It's not irritating at all for his skin. It really is such good detergent, and it's really inexpensive. Now I'm just going to go ahead and declutter in the kitchen. I like to start with decluttering. I usually just throw everything to one side of the counter. This space right here is kind of like the catch-all. All of the mail goes here, the keys, sunglasses, just everything we kind of just throw there. So I try to make it a point every day to kind of just declutter, pick it up, and to be honest, I kind of just throw it in a tray that we have in the cupboard above that space, and that needs to be cleaned out, but out of sight, out of mind. It needs to be tackled, but for a different time. So everything is a project by project type of thing in this home. As a new homeowner, that's how it is, and I have a feeling it's not going to stop, and I do enjoy it. So I am not complaining. I am really loving having my home. But I'm using the lilac spray by Mrs. Meyer's per usual, making my house smell delicious. And now I'm going to set up my toddler parking lot, is what I call it. But eventually, like I said, this stuff is going to be put away, at least like the cube organizer and all of that. So you definitely want to make sure you click the bell notification so you're notified when that video comes out. But I'm just kind of putting everything wherever it will go, and I just get so frustrated every time. But now, like I said, I'm going to show you how I organize everything. So I have these circle bins that I put the rolled up towels into, and then these are from the Dollar Tree, and then also I got a few baskets from the At Home store, which I believe is a version of Home Goods. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that store is freaking amazing, and they actually have really inexpensive bins and things, so check it out. But I actually really do love my Dollar Tree ones. So I just fold up my regular just washing rags. I just kind of fold them up neatly so that I can just grab and go. And then I have one for my microfiber cloths and my dishing, like, not my dishing. What am I even saying? My like hand towels for the kitchen. This is the nice, clean, lovely living room. And now more laundry. Take that out of the dryer. I just throw it onto the couch until I'm ready to handle it, and then put in more of my laundry into the washer. I did so much laundry this day, I remember. I don't think I've ever done this much laundry in my life. But I feel like I am rambling for days, so I'm going to go ahead and just let you watch the cleaning. I hope that you are getting your house clean along with me. Now we are into my son's room. If you're new here, my son is about 17 months. I can't believe it. It goes by so incredibly fast. I've never been so tired in my life, but I love it so much. And I think this is a little controversial. Everyone kind of like flipped out, but When he was about 6 months, we got rid of the crib and put him on the floor because it just was not working out for us. So I just want to give you that comfort in knowing that, you know, if something just isn't working that is traditional, you can change it. You know, you kind of live your own life. We love having the mattress on the floor. He is not the best sleeper, and no matter what we try, it is a struggle. And we're not that family that be like, oh, sleep through the night by this age, sleep through the night by that age. It doesn't work for us, and I tried so much, and I finally just gave in. I was like, you know, I don't want to co-sleep because neither of us get good sleep that way, but it would be nice to be able to put him to sleep and then I can just roll out. And that's what we do. And that's what helped a ton with breastfeeding. And now that he's on whole milk, like, I don't know, we just have a really good routine. We can both sit on his bed, read his books for bedtime, and it's really fine. Like, I would put, when he was still really little, I would put like the pillows or a ton of blankets on the floor so that if he was to roll off, it wouldn't hurt him. And yeah, he has rolled off and it's fine. Like, he hasn't hurt himself or anything. So if the crib isn't working out for you, I totally recommend trying it's called the Montessori or something like that. I'm not really sure. Put it in the comments below if you know what I'm talking about. But it really encourages like his independency and everything like that. Like, he still feels like freedom and he isn't like rummaging through everything. Like, it's fine. Also, I wanted to tell you, stay tuned for my post on Thursday. I am collabing with Little House on the Suburbs and we are reorganizing my son's closet. You don't want to miss it. It's really practical, but really functional. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on Thursday. Bye, guys.